Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon everybody. This is Fekadie YouTube channel. Uh, Everybody please share, like, subscribe and like the video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a trend analysis, which is Mann Kendall trend test and Stanislav trend test using RStudio. This is an English part. Uh, so first off, uh, let's open the software, which is RStudio. RStudio is here. So, and here is my rainfall data. Okay, my rainfall data is like trend. Okay, the file name is trend. So a monthly rainfall trend from which is from 2000 up to 2022, from month of January up to December, which is January, up to December, and which is annual rainfall, summer rainfall, winter and autumn rainfall. So after arranging the data, let's go to our software, new file, and our script. Okay, so after opening the software, it is important to call the data, which is important for trend analysis. So the first one is install the package. Okay, this is script typing interface. This one is the result, this one is showing figures, maps, and this one is variables. So the first one is to make a trend analysis, install package. Okay, to install packages, there are a number of methods to install packages. The first one is typing install packages, and type any package that you want to uh, compute for your data. The other one is go to this package and type here whatever you want package. Type here and click the package here and go to here and just type any kind of package that you want to erase. So I want to type here install packages. So the package that I want to compute a trend analysis is a modified trend analysis package, which is called modified. Okay, install packages, modified. Okay, modified package. So I already installed the package, but to show you, there is a package which is installing at this time. So the package, okay, the package is already downloaded, and after install the package, library and modified, then run. Okay, there is a library of modified. So after installing the package and library, then the other method is calling the data. Okay, whatever the data, rainfall data, temperature data, precipitation data, I mean other socioeconomic data. So call the data by two means. The first one is by importing the data set by click here, whatever the data, which is Excel data, from SPSS, from SAS, from Stata, or from other text or CSV data. Okay, by click here and browse the location of your data. My data is here, trend. Okay, and click open. And the other means of importing the data is by typing, which is trend, which is the name of my file name, trend. Okay, and type here, which is before that a package which is easier to read the Excel data is, we call it install packages, read Excel, the first one. Okay, the first one. So okay, RDX is installed, and then which is the package which is easier to read Excel data. Okay, easier to read the Excel data, which is installing the package now. Okay, it's finished. And library, library read Excel. Okay, it's already done. So after that, call the data. Okay, which is trend, type the package which is read Excel. Okay, the first one, and type the location of the file. Okay, my location of the file is, I go to the file, which is a trend file, and click here. Here is the location of the file name. So copy and type here. Okay, and make a quote at the beginning and at the end of the extension. Okay, so for, and in order to save this one, type here and change the slash. Okay, the direction of the slash. Okay, by changing the direction of the slash, we change the default. So we can say view trend. Okay, this is the data which is from a monthly data. Okay, from 2002 1000 up to 2022, and this is the first method of importing the data. And then the other one is go to import dataset and from Excel and browse and go to the location of the data, which is desktop, and trend, open. Okay, this is the location of this is the data, and call import. Okay, click import. This is the other means of importing the data, calling the data. So after this, to make a trend analysis, there are a number of means of analysis the trend. The first one is modified. Okay, by click here. Okay, a number of means of packages, which is the libraries. The first one is mktest, mmkh, mky. These are, but the recent one is this one in 2024 by you and Wang, 2004, which is mmky test. So type here mmky, yeah, type and trend. Okay, and shift plus $sign and choose the data that you want to calculate the trend. In this case, I want to calculate annual rainfall. Okay, then run. Okay, MQI. Okay, modif library. Okay, this is annual trend of rainfall. Annual, okay, this is annual, which is p-value, which is a very significant increasing of annual rainfall, which is a p-value less than 0.05. Okay, and sine slope, which is a 5, which is a positive increasing trend, and z value, which is 2. And come to summer rainfall, which is type here, and trend, and shift as dollar sign, and say summer, then run, and this one is insignificant, okay, which is the p-value is greater than 0.05, which is 5% precision area, or significant level, 95% significant level, which is greater than that point, that value is insignificant increasing insignificant increasing trend of summer rainfall. And other one, winter rainfall, winter trend, and so this one is the p-value is less than 0.05, and which is significant increasing trend, which is a positive sine slope, okay, sine slope value. And the other one, Ottoman rainfall, trend is a file name, and click, trend, this is insignificant increasing trend, also significant increasing trend. And we can calculate any month, which is June, January, for example. January rainfall, which is trend, January rainfall, which is significant increasing trend also here. And you can also July rainfall, which is trend, okay. This is all about trend analysis of monthly rainfall or seasonal rainfall data. Okay, it's about how to make trend analysis. Okay, okay, you can put here. Okay, we can put also here whatever the data. So It's all about the trend analysis. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please share, like, and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching.